Hello everyone, welcome to EasyLearn. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create S3 bucket in AWS. So first we need to click on the create bucket. So the bucket name should be unique. Here we can give any name. Here we can select different regions. So I'm selecting here North Virginia. Here we can enable NACL here. Either we can disable it based on your requirement. So untick this, block all the public access. So it will give the access to the bucket access to the public. Here bucket versioning is there. If you enable the bucket versioning, you will have different versions of the same file. So if you want to encrypt the data also, you can do enable here. Click on the create bucket. So we have to acknowledge here. Yeah, bucket is created successfully. Here in this big bucket we can upload different files, any kind of files we can upload, like audio files, video files, any kind of object related data we can upload here. So for that we have to click on the upload. So here we can add a folder, either we can add the files also. So I'm clicking on the folder. So I'm uploading this logo here, this file. This upload. Yeah, upload is successful. Close it. See, so the file is uploaded successfully. Just click here. If you want to download it, you can download. If you want to see this file, you can see this file also. For that we have to go to the permissions, click on the object, select the object actions. So they make public using ACL. For that we need to go back. Go inside, go to the properties. Just do here enabled. To access this file, click on the file, go to the object actions, make this public, click on the public, close it. So copy the URL of the object, so take a new tab and paste it here. We can simply access this file through online using object URL. So this is how we will create the S3 bucket. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.